All right, let's go ahead and start building this beautiful AI powered SaaS application. All right, so decide where you want to create this project. I have decided to create inside this Udemy folder that I have, and inside this folder I have the existing folder called old. Leave that where it is, and I'm going to create this fresh Next.js project. So you can run this command npx create next app add latest. All right, so give it a name. Let's call it AI Gen Udemy. All right, that's what I'm going to call it. TypeScript we're using, yes. ESLint, I don't really like ESLint, so it's a no. Would you like to use Tailwind CSS? Yes. Source, no. App router, yes. No, it didn't make any sense. All right. By the way, this is the finished project. This is what we will be building by the end of this course. All right, so it has been created. Here we got this folder. Let's get inside AI Gen Udemy. All right, and then sorry, that didn't happen. cd AI Gen Udemy. All right, so I'm inside the folder. Now let me start the project and npm start, or even before that, let me just open up in a code editor. VS Code, that's the one I'm using. All right, so let me just position it. All right, and let's start the server. By the way, you can use the built-in terminal here, command tilt, or you can just open from here, terminal new. For the moment, let me just continue using this so that I can show you the entire screen when I'm coding, nice and easy. So npm run dev. All right, so we run that. That will open up the application, and this is the project structure. If you're new to Next.js, I will go through all of them. So npm run dev, we run that command because we have that in package.json. You see the dev script, and that's start of the next development server. All right, and then let me show you the application. All right, so let me go to localhost 3000, and here you see this is the application we just created, the fresh Next.js project. And so we got the Next.js, we got some links. All right, so all this, we got the logo. So all that is coming from right here. So inside app, we have a page. All right, so inside page, you see all this code. So we got some links. We got the image, the logo, and we have got those links, learn Next.js, the deploy, all of that. You see deploy, learn Next.js, all of this content is coming from here. So what you want to do is just get rid of all of this so that we can start fresh. All right, so remove all of that. Let me create inside this return, let's create a main tag, and then here I can write hello from Next. Okay, let's write something like that, and let's go have a look. You see, we see that hello from Next, so that's where it's coming from. All right, so this is the entry point. This is like a home page inside app. Now any other page you want to create, you start by creating a folder. For example, if you want to create a services page, you create a services folder inside app, and then inside that services folder you create a page.tsx, and then again you write whatever you want to write on that page. Okay, so this is a routing based on the file names. That's how it works. You will learn all this while we are building the project. Right, so that's the entry point, and we have a layout as well. So you can create a layout in the root directory or any other folders you create later. If you want them to have a unique layout, you can do that. And you see the fonts has been imported here. So metadata for meta title and description, this is for SEO, And this root layout will receive the children props, means all the pages. At the moment we have one page here, so that page will be received as the children here on this layout, and we simply returning that children props. Okay. Then we have node modules folder, so all the packages, they will be installed here. We got the public folder here. You can store some images which can be publicly accessible. So anything inside public folder you can directly access by just writing in your code /next.svg. For the image, you can give this as a source. Alright, so you don't have to prefix with /public or something like that. You don't have to do that. Okay, so that's how you can easily access anything from inside public folder. And that's pretty much it, right? So this is a very simple Next.js framework for building React applications. And the reason you see the background here, it's all black, that's because of the global CSS, which is applied globally. So if you want, you can just get rid of all of this, leave the Tailwind, we're going to use that, but everything else you can just get rid of that, and that will give us the plain look.